Hey y'all, welcome to another vid. Hey y'all, welcome to another vid. Hey guys, welcome back to another vid. My name is BeDistinct. Thank you guys for all the support. Welcome to the new users. As you guys know, we're trying to hit 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could be a darling and help us out by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. I was reading the comments and one of you guys said that I should give away the GTR tail lights since I'm getting new tail lights. And honestly, if we reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, if we reach them earlier, the moment we cross 30,000, and it has to happen this year, if we cross 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I will go ahead and give away those GTR tail lights. No cost, free, no gimmick, no charge me this, no you have to buy this, no. Absolutely free. I'll even pay shipping. Like, you don't have to do nothing. So let's get to 30,000 subscribers, yo. Without further ado, we are going to go ahead and start off today by going to a beautiful morning meet. There's nothing better than morning meets because they're not crazy, they're nice and peaceful, and because the one today is taking place at the college that I went to. It's a beautiful city called Davis, man. I love that city, man. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's literally a true college town. Everywhere you see college students everywhere. I don't know about now though because COVID and a lot of students are doing online, so I don't know. But right now we're gonna go ahead and meet up with one of my friends at a warehouse, so I'll catch you guys there. All right, guys, we're gonna do today's shout out. We're gonna have guest man over here, Robert, the Ghost Flash man. What's your name, bro?
Guest man. Ghost Flash?
Ghost man?
Or it could be like John, he calls me Ghostface.
Ghostface, okay. He's gonna pick a random comment and he's gonna do today's shout out. So without further ado, all right, he chose a comment.
Because he knows. He knows.
Oh, shit.
He knows.
He knows?
Yeah, he knows.
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
So his name is Anthony Asher. He said 2 hours ago, 30K on the way.
Shit.
Supporting.
30K on the way. Right on. Can you?
Down right now, though.
What happened to your wheel?
My tire defeated.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what the hell that means.
What happened to EJ's tire?
Okay, that doesn't help. What what does it mean? Your tire can't hold air no more?
Let's just say my tire popped.
Oh shit, dude. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, we just arrived to the location. We're about to head up to the meet in just a couple minutes. And hopefully we see some cool cars. Man. Alright, we're about to get a tour from this infamous fender. What's going on
So
here?
we start with the high, right?
Okay.
Then one of my friends brought me the beautiful, the baby car, right here. It's my favorite one. Yeah, and then we got like CB's nude, gay, and then.
All right. We've seen enough. We've seen enough. We've seen enough.
Like,
Look at that Z. Oh, that was sick. This shit's sick.
just wait for my new exhaust setup.
He's having trouble closing his trunk. Shout out to the bro. He came to say hi. Thank you for saying hi, brother. Gotta support all G's. Jesus Christ. And
Ruben want to go take pictures.
But in a parking lot.
What's the difference? It's still gonna be hot.
It's shade.
Okay, so it's 111 in the sun, and the shade's probably like 100.
Go get gas, bro, right now.
Because y'all want to walk around with swamp ass. That's why. I just showered this morning, dog. I'm clean.
It is hella hot out here. Huh?
We can find a Dutch Bros.
There is a Dutch Bros here.
Can we go?
Wait, what did you
Like an ice cream shop or something?
We gotta hit the parking lot first.
We're in the parking lot, and the heat is hitting me.
This is showing that it's 95 degrees, but I beg to differ, sir. 41, $4.99.
Check out this week's top.
Scheisse. Cheers! You hit the 80. Congratulations. It's
Ain't
a boy.
Ain't no
It's a
congratulations. You didn't tell me to move! Bro, Ruben's a fool. Man told me to stand right here, drives away, comes back and says I'm in the shot. Nice.
No way. What the hell?
Oh yeah, that's honored, that.
What the hell? Robert, man, take in mind we are a whole story above.
We're like on the third story.
You are. I just climbed up like that. Where are you actually in the third floor?
What's up?
Oh shit.
Oh, if you got that close.
Oh, it's not fair, you.
Yeah, everybody but
What
Ruben.
the I'm convinced. Race matters.
Race matters.
Alright guys, it's 96 degrees right now. I'll let you guys know what it is once I get home. Now 107 once I got home. Absolutely ridiculous. We actually just ended up going to my girlfriend's house. So we went over to her house to watch the freaking McGregor fight. Holy crap, did you guys see the way his ankle just shattered? Unfortunate, but it was a good fight. But besides that, guys, I'm probably gonna end it on this note. And I probably will not upload tomorrow just because tomorrow is gonna be insanely hot as well. There's not gonna be a lot of meets out there. It's Sunday. And we also have to watch the Euro Cup final. You guys know Italy versus England is going to be an awesome game. But first thing Monday, we are going to get back to it because we have to start prepping for the state ref. Our appointment is next week on a Friday, early morning. So I'm a little nervous. Hopefully we pass. And we're going to start prepping first thing Monday. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys then. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hopefully we get 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Somebody said potentially maybe giving out the GTR Tail Lights if we reach 30,000 subscribers. I'm totally down if we get there, but without further ado, I'll catch you guys next video. Be distinct, be safe. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.